Welcome back, guys. It's Bubblegum Ninja. Make sure you subscribe and turn on those post notifications. I post a video every single Saturday and sometimes bonus videos on Wednesdays, and I'm hyped for today's video. If you're wondering why I'm making this, I actually did a poll on Instagram, and by far you guys wanted to see this, so I'm giving it to you. So today I'm bringing you the biggest kissing turn-on / kissing do's and don'ts. Whether you've never kissed someone or you've hooked up with 10 people, you need to watch this video because you could be really good in bed and a really bad kisser or a medium kisser, and it just ruins the whole thing. Because if you're a bad kisser, the rest of it, like, you don't even process it because you're just like so turned off. It's like, ugh. So you guys need these tips, so make sure you watch to the end, give it a big like, and let's get on to it. You guys know me, I'm super informal, so I'm just gonna be eating my chocolate and looking at this list on my phone. I came up with the list, by the way. I was really proud of it. Ready? Look. Don't worry, it won't take that long. First of all, you have to take turns initiating the kiss. If you are always just receiving but you're never initiating it, it seems like you don't want to kiss them. But if you initiate the kiss, it shows that you want them, and confidence is sexy as hell. Lip biting. Do not go Walking Dead on their ass. Also, don't do it over and over. Maybe like a minute into the makeout sesh, give them a gentle lip bite, just enough to get a nice little pull, and then it'll drive them crazy. Here's a don't. Don't just do the same thing over and over. One big no is like sucking on the lip. Don't just constantly suck on their lip. Don't just constantly bite their lip. Do not just peck over and over. You have to open your mouth a little bit and just switch it up a little. Don't go crazy. Here's a big gray area. Tongue. This totally depends on the person. Some people don't like it at all. Some people like to eat your face every time you make out. A general rule of thumb though, people only prefer French kissing when things are getting hot and heavy, and then they're like, give me that tongue. But the best way to do it is to read your partner. If they give you like a little taste of their tongue, that probably shows that they want it, but they're testing out the waters too. Just give it back to them, but don't just go over and over, you know, just like incorporate it. It's more like feel out the vibes and you'll know if they want more or not. Use your whole body, not just your mouth. Pull them in closer to your body by their hips. It's so sexy. Hands. Grab their face like this. It is so romantic and just cute and sexy. It's everything. It's just like, if it's getting hot and heavy though, grab that booty, run your hands up underneath their shirt, like along their sides. Go for it. Do that gentle skin trace thing that like gives you shivers. Be creative. Like, keep your focus on your mouth. Don't get sloppy and just start forgetting about the kiss, because that's where it's at. Neck kissing. If it is getting hot and heavy, transition between mouth and some neck kisses. Then peck slowly back up to the mouth and keep kissing. Do not just do a bunch of pecks. It feels like nothing on your neck, honestly. This is where you need to get the tongue action going. Don't be like drooling on them and just get their neck soaking wet, because that's disgusting and you just want to wipe it off. And for tongue kissing and kissing in general, usually the slower the better, the slower the sexier, and it's just like, yes. Take your time, get in a groove. If there's music, go with the music. But the main thing about kissing is to read the other person's body. If like you're kissing and then you kiss their cheek and then the person kind of like tilts their neck, it shows that they want to be kissed on the neck. If they're like making noises, it means they like it. Just read what their body's giving you. Change positions if possible. Like if you're on a bed, push them over so that you're on top of them. That is... If you're like standing up, kissing, push them against the wall. That'll get things going real quick. I guess that is the end of my list. Those are my top kind of run through do's and don'ts. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and like I said, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss my next video. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.